Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a bar graph on the Google Docs. So here, what you need to do is just go to the insert and chart. Here you'll see these options and you can just click on the bar. You want to create a bar chart or graph. So the data here is default and you want to change it or you want to edit data. Here you can just click on the three dots icon and then tap on the open source. So you cannot directly edit it in the Google Docs. So the data here is on the Google Sheet. So these two files are linked to each other. You can just make some changes in here. For example, you want to change to class and other. And just adjust or edit it here. You can also edit how the graphs will look like. You can click on the three dots icon on the chart and tap on the edit chart in here. You can customize the color. For example, make it 3D. Here I'm going to change the, for example, the color. Let's choose which one to customize. You can also adjust the font and the font size. Hold the title. So adjust or change the title of each axis. So if you're done with the changes, you can go back to Google Docs and here you can see there will be this update option when you click on the chart, and the changes made on the Google Sheets will be linked in here. So that's all. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.